Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain the story sums of subtractions. See the first sum of this exercise 2.7. Rama and Govind are two factory owners. Rama's factory produced goods worth of rupees 36,970 in a week, and Govind's factory produced goods worth of rupees 28,395. Whose factory produced more? This is the first question. See, children, and how much more? You have to find the difference of the Rama's factory producing goods and Govind's factory produced goods worth is given. You have to find which factory is more produced and how much. So first you have to write the statements related this given information. See what the word rupees, but here worth also meaning of worth also rupees coming to the rupees only. So worth of goods produced by Rama's factory. Simply see this, worth of goods produced by Rama's factory. Start writing. Worth of goods produced by Rama's factory. How much? 36,970 rupees. 36,970. Like the same, another person, who is that? Govind. So worth of goods produced by Govind's factory. Rupees 28,395. 28,395. This is the given information. Now you have to compare whose factory produced more goods. This is Rama's factory and this is Govind's factory. By comparing of the numbers, which one is more? Very good. Rama's factory. Why? Because of this is 5-digit number and this is also 5-digit number. So checking of the last digit, fifth digit, see 3, 2. Which is more? 3. So 3 is bigger than the 2. 3 means whose factory? Rama's factory. So here rupees 36,970 is greater than means this is more. Rupees 28,395. So now first one, Rama's factory produced more goods. Now by how much? How much means you have to find the difference. See here, I am subtracting 36,970 minus 28,395. You have to find the answer. I am not doing, you have to try to do the sum. And finally, Rama's factory produced, here you have to write the answer in the blank, more goods. This is the first solution. You have to find the solution answer and write in the given blank. Now coming for the second one, by how much is 42,128 more than 38,965. How much more than? More than means this is a big and this is small. Small example. How much is 5 more than 2? Small single digit number. 5 more than 2 by how much? ఇంకా ఒకసారి తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. 5 అనేది 2 కంటే ఎంత ఎక్కువ? What is the difference? So we have to find 5 minus 2. This is 3. Like that you have to find. 42,128 minus 38,965. Just do the subtraction and find out the answer. Next, coming for the third sum. Balakrishna had a fruit farm with 13,035 trees. In that, 4,975 trees fell in a cyclone. How many trees remained in the farm? Once again I am reading. Understand the given sum. Balakrishna had a fruit farm with 13,035 trees. He had this number of trees. One day a cyclone came and some trees are fallen. How many? 4,975. How many trees remained? That means normally left. So what we have to write? Statement. Number of trees in a fruit farm. Simple one. Number of trees in a fruit farm. 13,035. Next, what happened? Fallen, so fell. Number of trees fell in a cyclone. How many? 5, 7, 9, 4. 4,975. Remained means leftover, that is subtraction. Next, here simple one. Number of trees remained. Number of trees remained. What you have to do? Subtraction. Do the subtraction and finally you can find the answer. Next, coming for the fourth sum. Desai's monthly income is 19,290 and Kabir's monthly income is 5,860, less than Desai. Here see the twist. Kabir's monthly income is 5,860 less than Desai. By comparing of Desai's income is 5,860 rupees less than of his income. So what is the Kabir's monthly income? You have to find the Kabir's monthly income. First, what is given? Income. Monthly income of Desai. Right children, monthly income of Desai is equal to rupees 19,290. Next, Kabir's monthly income is rupees 5,860 less than of Desai's. This is the given information. You have to write like this. Next, what you have to find? Kabir's monthly income. Kabir's monthly income is equal to, what is Desai's monthly income? Rupees 19,290 minus 0685. You have to do the subtraction and find out the Kabir's monthly income. Find out the answer and write here. Okay children?